Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to generate a Gemini API key in 2025. Step by step, follow along carefully, and by the end, you'll have your API key ready to use. First, open any browser on your PC or mobile device. In the search bar, type Gemini API key and press enter. Look for the link that usually says something like i.google.dev. Get a Gemini API key or Google for developers. Click on that link to open the page. Once the page loads, you'll be on the Google AI Studio dashboard. On the left-hand sidebar, navigate to the API key section. You'll see a button that says Get a Gemini API key. Click on this blue button. If you're already signed into your Google account, you'll see your profile icon at the top of the page. If not, sign in with your Google email and password. Once signed in, the page will refresh and you'll see the Google AI Studio interface. Next, look for the Create API Key button. If this is your first time generating a key, it will be clearly visible. If you already have keys, they'll be listed on the page. Click Create API Key to generate a new Gemini API key. After a few seconds, your new API key will appear on the screen. Click the copy button next to it and paste it into a text editor like Notepad to save it safely. Remember, don't share your API key publicly. If you ever need to access it again, just return to the same API key section in Google AI Studio, click on your key, and copy it again. And that's it. A simple step-by-step way to generate your Gemini API key in 2025. Instead of dealing with complex API setups, you can also try Poppy AI, which gives instant access to multiple premium AI models without any API configuration. That's all for today. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.